Good morning, students. Review exercise 7, question 1 MCQs. 4 options are given. You have to select the correct one. First MCQ, the equation of a straight line in the slope intercept form is written as A. Y is equal to m into x plus c. B option, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. C option, y is equal to c plus mx. D option, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is slope intercept form. Slope intercept form is y is equal to mx plus c. C is y intercept and m is slope. So y is equal to c plus mx. This is the correct option. We are going to select C. Now second MCQ, the gradients of two parallel lines are. The gradient of two parallel lines are equal. A option equal, B 0, C negative reciprocals of each other, D always undefined. So the gradient of parallel lines are equal. We are going to select option A. Third MCQ, if the product of the gradients of two lines is -1, then the lines are perpendicular. If the product of the gradient of the two lines is -1, then the lines are perpendicular. Let gradient of first line be m and the gradient of the second line be -1 over m. Then their product is m into -1 over m. M cancelled with m. Answer is -1. If answer is -1, then the lines are perpendicular. So option B is correct. Now fourth MCQ, distance between 2 points P having coordinates 1 and 2 and Q with coordinates 4 and 6 is. Let us apply distance formula. First point is 1, 2 and the second point is 4, 6. Let us apply distance formula. X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, square root of the whole. Substituting the values, x2 4 minus x1 1 whole square plus y2 is 6 minus y1 is 2 whole square, square root of the whole. 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 square is 9. 6 minus 2 is 4, 4 square is 16. 9 plus 16 is going to be 25. And the square root of 25 is equal to 5. So which option is correct? Distance between 2 points P and Q is 5. We will select A option. Fifth MCQ. The midpoint of a line segment with endpoints this and this is. What is the midpoint of these 2 points? One point is -2 and 4. Second point is 6 and -2. Midpoint is formula x1 plus x2 over 2. In this way we will find the x coordinate. For y coordinate, y1 plus y2 over 2. Substituting the values, x1 minus 2 plus x2 6 over 2, y1 4 plus y2 minus 2 over 2. Let us simplify. Minus 2 plus 6 is 4 over 2. Plus into minus minus 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. So midpoint has coordinates 2 and 1. 2 and 1. So B option is 2 and 1. Now let us go to sixth MCQ. Sixth MCQ, a line passing through points 1, 2 and 4, 5 is. First point is 1, 2, 1 and 2. Second point is 4 and 5. Equation, 2-point form of equation of a straight line is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Y as it is, minus y1 is 2 is equal to y2 is 5 minus y1 is 2 over x2 is 4 minus x1 is 1, x minus x1 is 1. Y minus 2 is equal to 5 minus 2 is 3, 4 minus 1 is 3 into x minus 1. Y minus 2 is equal to 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3 is equal to x minus 1. So y is equal to x minus 1 plus 2, y is equal to x plus 1. Sixth MCQ, y is equal to x plus 1. So A option is correct. Seventh MCQ, seventh MCQ is the equation of a line in point slope form is, in point slope form is point is given and slope is given. So we know that the equation of a line when one point and slope is given, the equation is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So B is the correct option. Let 8th MCQ, 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0 in the slope intercept form is. Given equation is 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. Slope intercept form is y is equal to mx plus c. So y on the left hand side and the rest of the terms on the right hand side. Dividing both sides by 3, 3y over 3 is equal to minus 2 by 3 plus 6 over 3. So y is equal to minus 2 over 3 x plus 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6 plus 2. Y is equal to minus 2 by 3 x plus 2. So the correct answer is A. Ninth MCQ. The equation of a line in symmetric form is A part x over A plus y over B is equal to 1. B option x minus x1 over 1 plus y minus y1 over m is equal to z minus z1 over 1. C option is x minus x1 over cosine of alpha is equal to y minus y1 over sine of alpha is equal to r. Equation of a line in symmetric form is, correct option is C. 10th part, 10th MCQ, the equation of a line in normal form is A option y is equal to mx plus c, no. B option x over a plus y over b is equal to 1, no. C option x minus x1 over cosine of alpha is equal to y minus y1 over sine of alpha, no. D option x into cosine of alpha plus y into sine of alpha is equal to p is the normal form. So option D is correct. Question 2. Find the distance between 2 points A, 2, 3 and B with coordinate 7, 8 on a coordinate plane. Solution: given points A, 2, 3 and point B with coordinate 7 and 8. Using distance formula, D is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root. Distance between A and B is equal to x2 7 minus x1 minus 2 whole square plus y2 8 minus y1 3 square root of it. 7 minus 2 is 5, 5 square plus 8 minus 3 is 5, so 5 square root of the whole. 5 square is equal to 25 plus again 5 square is equal to 25 whole square root. 25 plus 25 is going to be 50, square root of 50. Square root of 50 can be written as 25 into 2 square root. So it will become 5 into square root of 2 units. Question 3. Find the midpoint of the line segment joining the points. First point is 4 and minus 2 and second point is minus 6 and 3. Solution: given points x1, y1, 4 and minus 2 and x2, y2, minus 6 and 3. Using midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2, substituting the values midpoint, x coordinate 4 plus minus 6 over 2, minus 2 plus 3 over 2, plus into minus is minus, 4 minus 6 is minus 2 over 2, minus 2 plus 3 is 1 over 2, 2 cancelled with 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. So x coordinate is minus 1 and y coordinate is 1 by 2. Question 4. Calculate the gradient or slope of the line passing through the points. First point is 1 and 2 and second with coordinates 4 and 6. Solution: given points x1, y1, 1 and 2 and x2, y2, second point 4 and 6. Slope of points or gradient of points is represented by small m, which is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Substituting the values, m is equal to y2 is 6 minus y1 is 2 over x2 is 4 minus x1 is 1. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Question number 5. Find the equation of the line in the form y is equal to mx plus c that passes through the points. First point is 3 and 7 and second with coordinates 5 and 11. Solution: given points x1, y1, 3 and 7 and x2, y2, 5 and 11. Because 2 points are given, it is better we use 2-point form, which is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Putting the values, y minus y1 is 7 is equal to y2 5, y2 is 11 minus y1 is 7 over x2 is 5 minus x1 is 3, x minus x1 is 3. Simplifying, y minus 7 is equal to 11 minus 7 is 4, 5 minus 3 is 2 into x minus 3. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Y minus 7 is equal to 2 into x minus 3. Opening the bracket, y minus 7 is equal to 2x minus 6. We have to leave the equation in the form y is equal to mx plus c. So only y will be on the left hand side. Let us do that. Y is equal to 2x minus 6 minus 7 transpose to the right hand side becomes positive 7. Y is equal to 2x plus 1. Question 6. If two lines are parallel and one line has a gradient of 2 by 3, what is the gradient of the other line? Because the two lines are parallel, so their gradients or slope will also be the same. Solution: gradient of one line 2 by 3. Because the two lines are parallel to each other, so the gradients are equal. Therefore, gradient of the other line is also 2 by 3. Question 7. An aeroplane needs to fly from city A at coordinates 12 and 5 to city B at coordinates 8 and minus 4. Calculate the straight line distance between these two cities. Solution: given points A 12 and 5, B 8 and minus 4. Using distance formula, which is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, square root of the whole. The distance between A and B is x2 8 minus x1 12 whole square plus y2 minus 4 minus y1 5 whole square, square root of the whole. 8 minus 12 is minus 4 square plus minus 4 minus 5 minus 9 square of it, square root of the whole. Minus 4 square is equal to 16 plus minus 9 square is equal to 81. 16 plus 81 is 97. Using calculator, you see square root of 97 is equal to 9.85 units.